In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to spruce up your site with functional elements, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, you need to head over to Google Sites, which you can do by typing Google Sites into your browser's search bar and selecting the appropriate link. Once you arrive on the Google Sites homepage, you'll need to choose which site you want to work on. You can select an existing site from your list or create a new one. Click on your desired site to open it. Once your site is open, you'll notice the interface is user-friendly, designed to keep the process simple and streamlined. Look for the menu on the right side of your screen where you'll find various options for customizing your site. Here, you want to select the Insert option. This menu is full of different elements you can add to your page, but today we're focusing on adding a button. Now in the Insert menu, you'll see several tool options. Among those, there should be an option labeled Button. Click on it. Immediately, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to create a name for your button. Naming your button not only helps keep things organized, but also ensures users know what action to expect when they click it. Enter a descriptive and relevant name that succinctly communicates the button's purpose. With your button named, it's time to link it to its designated destination. In the same dialog box, look for the link option and select it. This allows you to either enter a URL, link to another page within your Google site, or even choose a file from your Google Drive. Choose the option that best suits your needs and paste or select your link. When everything looks good, simply click on the Insert button to add your newly created button to the site. Make sure you adjust the placement and size to fit your design vision. Google Sites provides easy drag-and-drop functionality to help you position your button just right. And there you have it. A button added to your Google site in a few quick steps. As you finalize your design, remember to preview your site to ensure everything looks and functions as intended. Once you're satisfied, publish your site, and your interactive button is ready for others to use. Adding interactive elements like these can enhance the user experience, making your site not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.